So I'm just going to show you real quick how to use the Tiny Scanner app if you are trying to upload something to email back to us that is, whether it's one page or multiple pages. The Tiny Scanner app is awesome. So I'm just going to pretend like this is my piece of paper that I need to scan. When you open the Tiny Scanner app, you're going to see this plus sign down here at the bottom. So I'm going to add a new scan. And so I'm going to just hold my phone above the piece of paper and I'm going to snap a picture of it. Now you'll notice down here at the bottom that you either have multi-page, or if you click on that multi-page you can change it to single page. Because I'm going to do more than one, I want this right here to say multi-page. So I'm going to go ahead and do my next page. And after I take the picture, now what I'm going to do is I am going to hit this little arrow down here in the bottom right, and I'm going to either process it as black and white or I can process it as color. So I'm just going to do color. It'll process the paper. And so now what happens is it's going to try to automatically select what it thinks the natural corners and edges of the paper are. And it already did it automatically for me, so I will just scroll over to the next page. It captured the next one, great too. So now I will hit done right down here at the bottom right. It'll process it. And once it's done, I now have my multi-page document in color. So up here at the top is where I would save my document. So you can either do the date with the time. I would recommend saving it with the title of the assignment. So this is just going to be my test assignment. And I'm going to hit done. And once you get to this point, down here at the very bottom, you want to save that. Okay, so now it's saved in my files, and so it's automatically going to ask if you want to email this, if you want to open it in something different. There's more options here as well. You can save it to Google Drive, you can save it to your phone files, whatever you have. So I'm going to recommend either email it directly or save to Google Drive. So if you just hit email, it'll ask if you're doing this from your phone, or maybe iPad too, I'm not sure, but definitely from your phone will ask what size you want to send it as. Normal is fine, small is okay. I typically send mine in normal. So once you hit that, then it just pops up like a normal email. You can send who you want to email it to, and that's it. So it's pretty simple, it's great. It's a lot better than sending multiple pictures to your teacher, because sometimes the files are so large. So this condenses it to one PDF file, and that can be a very simple way to just try to scan everything and get it back to us without having to attach multiple things.